Hey guys, welcome back to another Bricklink unboxing. Today I got a box I ordered probably a little over a week ago. So I got another one that'll be here actually tomorrow, so this will kind of be like a back-to-back, or I may space out the releasing. I guess we'll just see. But anyway, I think this is just to tide over a couple of small things that I was waiting on. I don't think this order is super big, but let's see what we got here. Nice little box. It's got the logo on it. I usually try to hide those, but this one's got it all over the box, so yeah. So far their prices, this store that I go through, their prices are really good. It's just their shipping times are a little slower than some due to COVID, I guess. But they're really busy though, so I give them the benefit of the doubt with that. All right. Also, I think I seen Robin Hood Bricks actually does a part number list of what they received. So I think I'm going to include that in this video. So I will definitely try to put all the part numbers up just in case there's something that that you see here that you possibly want to try to grab yourself. Sometimes finding the parts can be difficult. So yeah. All right, let's see what we got. All right, it's got a bunch of random stuff in it. And then I got that. And then I got a minifig. Another minifig. A bunch of those. Another minifig. And yet another minifig. All right. So let's see what we got, and then let's talk about what I'm doing with these. All right, so the minifigs. These are all basically, I was going through and kind of went, this store had quite a few of these, different, I guess these are more like Ninjago or, so we're doing like a sort of Asian alleyway as part of our Bricklanta, and so I wanted to fill it with as many Asian Lego figures as I could find, whether it's Ninjago or just various others. So that's what these are. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these out really quick. So we got her. She's got a name. Let's see if I see it on the list. I don't see her name, but I think her name's Sally or something. Something like that. It's kind of crazy. I don't see the names on the list. Maybe there's a separate sheet for minifigs. There are two sheets. Oh yeah. Yep, she's Sally. It's a Ninjago set. I'm sure Ninjago fans know exactly who it is and probably laughing at me here. Yeah, I got Juno, Chan Kong Sang, Runji, and Juno and Sally. Yeah, so those are the four I got. So yeah, I really wanted to try to diversify. So this one here, it's got a couple of faces. It's got anxious face and just okay face. All right, I like the hair on that one. That's very nice. Okay, let's open up these other two real quick. All right, this one's pretty much together, just lacking the hair. Oh yeah, it's like what I call the mom hairstyle, but it's in black. So that's really nice. I'm glad I got that. It's always in like a light brown or blonde or tan. Usually we see that one. And this one, I like him. I love his hat. I don't know if any of these are fan favorites. I've never watched any of the Ninjago stuff. I think it was a little bit after my kids' time. Came along either right as or right after. So, I don't know how this one goes. It's got two pieces. Maybe it goes on like that and then like that. I don't know what the backing part. I'll have to look at the picture and see what that's supposed to be like. I'm not sure what it's supposed to be. But regardless, I got the hat on there. So yep, I like that one. That one's really nice. All right. So these are just all the same pieces. I'm gonna leave these in the bag. These are gonna be for part of a bumper car set we're doing. So I've seen some ideas for mocks for bumper cars, And so we're going to be using these with little colored 1x1 rounds to make the pillars. So that's what these are for. And then this is for a vehicle I'm making. I'm not going to spoil what that is yet because it's going to be a little scene that's going to be in Bricklanta. And I have a feeling there's pieces for that in here as well for the vehicle I'm making. So it's a mock. It's not one of my own or anything, but it is one. I really haven't seen much. It was kind of hard to find good pictures of it as well because there's just not a lot on the web for it. But all right, so let's go through the bigger bag here. I'll keep this off to the side. All right, put that over here. All right, so I got some tires. Of course, got to have tires for a vehicle. I got that. This is for, I'll tell you what this is. This is actually for a dunk tank for our fairground. So any of the green pieces that are with this, that's what those are for. The green pieces are going to be for the fair, the bumper, the dunk tank. So we're trying to round out everything that goes into the fair. Our fairground's kind of big, and I mean it could be nicer with like the big carousel or the big Ferris wheel, and I really do like the Ferris wheel. But right now our fairground's big enough, and I'm not even going to attempt to get the Ferris wheel at the moment because it's just so big. And I don't want the fairground. I don't want Bricklanta just to be dominated by. So this is more like along the lines of like a smaller, like local carnival type thing. But yeah, I got just various green pieces to make the dunk tank. I think I may have enough to actually get it going, if not finished with these. So yeah, try to keep all these together. So yeah, we got a bunch of little green pieces. Should be interesting to see how these all go together. So that's all part of that. The black pieces, even the white pieces, are for the dunk tank as well. And of course, you got clear blue to do water as a 1x1 bricks. So yeah, I got extra too because I know we're going to be working on another water thing in the near future. Yeah, so I try to order extra if I know there's something I'm going to be possibly working on. So I only needed one of these, and I went ahead and got more. These little red balls right here, these are Technique pieces, and these are going to be to throw the balls that you're going to use for the dunk tank. And I got some extra ones as well. I think I got 6. Yeah, I got 6 here. I got some extra ones so we could also use them for another fairground game that we already have out there. But I thought these balls like something better to throw. We got some of these little red plates as well here. The round 2x2 plates. I only needed one, but I grabbed a few extra just because these are something I feel like we could use. All right, and yeah, so other than that, I got black pieces here for the SUV. This SUV I'm really excited about. This is also for the dunk tank, these little white doors. So those are pretty cute. More for the dunk tank. So yeah, that's basically what this comprises. I was trying to finish off pieces so we could make dunk tank and the vehicle we're making, and also some Asian minifigs. Super excited about these. Gonna go ahead. Yeah, that's quite a bit. Got quite a bit of stuff here. Oh yeah, these are for the doors as well. Set them on. So yeah, we're gonna have these real soon. We're gonna have these built. I'm probably gonna show, I don't know if I'm gonna show how they're built, but I'm definitely gonna show. I got some seats for the SUV as well. I just said SUV, but yeah, it's the SUV that we're making. Not gonna spill what the scene is. There's also some little railing, black rail pieces. Those are nice. More of those. So yeah, I don't see anything. Most of these are just standard little pieces. I will be showing the SUV off when it is done. I'll be showing the dunk tank off as well when it's done. I'm probably going to tag it along with this video, whether I do a live review of it or just show pictures of it. I will include those things so you can see what this built. Except for the bumper car thing, I'm pretty sure, I know I don't have the roof yet for that. I haven't ordered those pieces yet. But everything else is kind of here. And if the SUV isn't done with this order, I think tomorrow's order kind of finishes it off as well. So that will probably be, it's funny, you place an order and it's like a few days go by and you already kind of forget. I'm already forgetting what I've ordered because I'm already looking ahead for the following order, the next order I'm going to be doing. So because of that, I'm like, okay, so what am I doing here? Plus, we have some huge changes coming to Bricklanta. We just moved, we switched rooms, which room it's in. So this allowed us to, instead of it being in my wife's office where her desk was kind of in a spot, like her whole work area kind of took up half the room, we're now in a completely freer room that doesn't really have much in it. We kind of use it as like a living room type thing to sit in, but you know, I took some stuff out of there and we're now trying to set up Bricklanta to be really different. It's still going to have the same buildings and the fairground in it, but we've also added a couple of other things. I've still got to build another table. So probably this weekend is the earliest we could possibly have a tour of the new changes and the future of what's coming with that. There's a lot of stuff we got to order and pick up. And yeah, so super excited about that. We're adding more levels to it, as well as I think we're doing a river and a beach part of it. So having the additional levels is really going to help. And I came up with some pretty good ideas for the table to allow us to make layout levels really easily. So I'm excited about sharing that as well. So anyways, we have a lot to look forward to. So definitely stay tuned and we'll see you next time.